Okay, I should be streaming now. Just check. Okay. Getting a black screen. Why? Oh, okay. Showing already. That is disabled. Got a third shot here. To docs into chat. Yeah, it's disabled. Docs. Just the browser docs. Okay, I need to here. We got out chat. Close the docs chat. Here. I don't think I can sign in here. Just see. Yep, I can't. No. Jesus. Okay. View docs. Okay. Since this will be one of probably, let me type here something and see how long does it take to show on OBS. Oh, it's not showing on OBS. Still not shown on OBS. Oh, it takes a lot to show on OBS. So I'll just ignore OBS chat. Okay. I'll just minimize OBS too. So the purpose of this stream. Oh yeah, it's extending. Oh, not extending. Reverse engineering. Comma, setting new goals slash. Yeah, setting new goals. Yeah, setting new goals. Milestones. So the biggest problem that one of the reasons I haven't worked on it was that I was super bored with the project, but most of yeah, I was bored with the project. So let me just increase here the font. 32. Okay, great. So not only I was bored, because it had bugs. I shouldn't have bugs at that point, in my opinion. But there was no testability. So testability, I'm not sure, was 0 to none. So most of the testability was just me, just going, testing the game, which can just create more and more bugs. So can easily create bugs. Not good. So inspiration from some other projects. Just open here the example. For example, this one, Pokemon Emerald, Pokemon Pret group, where they just build. So it doesn't matter whether the code that they write, as long that the hash is correct, they are building the correct game. So I want to take a similar approach. I'm not, of course, building full game because that will be dumb, but yeah, I'll just take the hash of all the functions and then compare them. I think that will be the best one. So new way of doing things. So the old way was just looking at either fixing up things and that and testing. That's just terrible. I don't want to do it that way. So I'll do is okay. So there's two ways of doing it. So okay, generate the same machine code, which I'll need two things for that. Compiler, used compiler. In this case is Visual C++ 6, and correct version is something 8168. And I got that from Detected Easy, but it's not the default settings. I think it was the NAS one. So use same compiler. Okay, and the reason I want, if I use the same compiler, I just avoid a bunch of new things added, introduced in the newer version of the compilers. And I'll also have to move from C, C++. This is not a big problem in my opinion. But yeah, I said from the beginning I wanted to do it in C, but I guess I'll just move to C++. The game doesn't overly use them. But there might be times that there might be times that I probably can't match the assembly, or I just don't want to do it at that point, but I just want to have a good enough I just want to have a good enough idea whether I'm doing the good work, so I can go with symbolic analysis. So yeah, so these are the two ways. Symbolic analysis, it just means, so symbolic analysis means that I execute the code, not really execute, but I just execute the code in a special environment. It's not really executing, it's just recording what it's doing. And I'll just record two things: the memory addresses, the memory accesses, so accesses, so the writes and the reads, and the return values. These are the things that I care about. Oh yeah, and the branches. These are jumps and calls. Basically, if I'm not able to match the same machine code, I'll just go to symbolic analysis. I'll write my tool for this because most of the existing tools are for security analysis, fuzzy and stuff like that. I don't want that. I just want to know, is my code the same as that one? I do have some ideas on how to do things here, but in my opinion, this will be the coolest one to do, because if I can match it, I don't really care. And oh, okay, so here are the pros of this new way of doing things. So pros, get the exact same behavior. So this means that all the bugs are ported, are preserved. I mean, is good for speedrunning primarily. Yeah, mainly speedrunning. But anyone that wants to abuse the original, that wants to get the original game behavior, this will be a pro. And yeah, it's just get the exact same behavior, and I can rest assured I didn't introduce any bugs. So this means I'm getting the exact same thing. And just a quick note, this doesn't mean I'm getting the not getting the original source, because as far as I know they compiled with compiler optimization, so that's out of the window. I'm not getting the original source code. Okay, so OBS reconnected. Okay. So it will be a little boring. But not in the old way. Not in the old way. Because the old way was me looking at pseudocode, rarely diving into assembly. Yeah, and okay, and another thing here. Use structs while decompiling the code. Okay, this is probably my biggest gripe. I don't know what's like. I've never, every time I did reverse engineering, I seldom used structures, but I've been working on some stuff, and yeah, they are probably the best, your best friend. And enums too, like both enums and, let me just put your enums. They are so good. And yeah, so what will happen is that, let me just show you the current state of the code. So I just need to be careful not to leak any important stuff. Okay, so cbaddy, as you can see, it's mostly shit like that, and This looks awful. Like, this is dumb, in my opinion. I could, just, and I can remove these comments, of course. And I could, just create a structure, and that will be it. And either would automatically say mem set everything to 0. I wouldn't probably do a mem set, just because I'm not sure whether all the fields are being set to 0, so I will be accidentally introducing some unknown behavior. I'll stick to what's going on here. So even if that means setting all the fields to 0 like this, but I could just copy that. It's not a big problem. And yeah, so yeah, as you can see, the code doesn't look good. Yeah, and I thought that I could go back and fix it. No. This needs to be fixed and now. And yeah, the CVAD initialized marking. I don't really care about that. Okay, be a little boring, not in the old way. And the reason for this will be need to work with older tools and need to write additional tools. But in the end, it just means I'll get a better product. So let me just show this real quick, and in the meantime, I'll just start downloading this. So, okay, no, not Visual C++. Oh god, Visual Studio. Yeah. So this is the version that I want. I'll just open. I don't know what's the better one. Doesn't look that fast. Yeah, I've been here today. Was getting better download speeds in my work computer, but okay. Yeah, let me also get detect it easy. Detect it easy. So detect it easy is this tool. Jesus Christ, really killing my network. Downloads. Yeah, I just want to download. So here's detect it easy. Yeah, I'm not. Oh god, it'll take 40 seconds, but yeah, at least. But so the work plan for today, will be the following: install Visual Studio 6, extract all functions, and write basic comparison logic. It will be super bare bones. So let me just extract it here. Oh, actually, there's something here. Oh god, I don't know. Okay, here's detected easy. Shit, I closed. I wanted to go back to my. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with my OBS. Oh god, I think my internet is just garbage. Let me just look at my connection. I'll probably lose connection for a brief second. Okay, hope it is better. Don't think it is bad. I guess it's a little bad. Okay. So yeah, detect it easy. So you can just get Spider-Man like so. Right here. It'll say C, C++, 6.0. Yeah, it helps me a little. Like, no, it helps me a bunch to be honest, but there's a huge problem here in my opinion. Visual Studio had a bunch of releases. As you can see, yeah, there's this three and there's the service packs. I'll be ignoring the service packs for now, but if I change to nows, it tells me the exact version, so I just got that one. 8168. It says 12, I'm not sure why, but yep, it worked. Scan, thing is Gucci. Yeah, download is really killing my internet. Just wait some, like 20 seconds. Super fast. It's like 5 megabytes per second. Yeah, internet is not good for streaming today. Okay, okay, so my streaming speed has been gone to normal. So yeah. So since I have here the version, I can just know which compiler they used. So here's the Visual Studio C++, all the MD5s. Oh, great. I'll look into this later. Now, I'll need to write a script. That's why I had Spidey scripts open here. Um, function extractor.py. Just one thing. Uh, like, is it possible to export bytes in Python? Let me just do something here. Let me test. Python and import JSON. So the string ABC, decode, no, encode. Great. And let me just create a dictionary. Okay. And I can just do JSON dumps. Yeah. Object of type bytes is not JSON serializable. Yeah. Should I pickle these? Not sure. Yeah, this will be a pro. What's the Okay, so in Python add custom serializer. So can I add a serializer? So if it's a complex, okay. Oh, great. So functions extractor. Just open it in Vim. For now, I don't need IDA. Term. Great. For JSON. Class. Add a function encoder. JSON encoder. And it only takes a function called default Okay, so this is the most basic function ever. So let me just call. Oh, so JSON dumps. Do the exact same thing I was doing before. Encode class either function encoder. And I'll put it in a variable just to make it easier. Let me remove it. Python. Exactly. But let me just do print type objects. Hmm. I'm not. Oh yeah, it's right there. Class bytes. The very first one. I thought the keys will be okay. If is instance. Let me just see. Is instance. Okay, so it's the object. Okay. Then okay. So base 64. And I can just do return base 64. Okay. Thanks. Yeah, I don't really follow the subscribers. Oh shit, I think. Okay. Yeah, I don't really follow the subscribers. Yeah, they've been growing mostly because of the Ultimate Spider-Man stuff. It's not my end goal to get subscribers. It's mostly if people are learning. Like, and also I had a bunch of subscribers, like 100, because my channel is like, yeah, I think it's, I don't want to say 10 years old, but I think it's almost 10 years old. I had a previous channel, so yeah. Hi, Cosmot. Yeah, cool, no, cool must. Yeah. I remember you from, yeah, really early times of Spider-Man 2000. Um, yeah. Okay, whatever. Um, so base 64 encode, b64 encode, and I just take the object. It should work now. Oh, no module buzz. Oh, uh, why are you hanging? What? What the fuck is happening? Um, yeah, this is legitimately weird. Yep. I officially don't know what's going on. Oh god, something is abusing my CPU usage. Okay, I need to track this because something really funny just yes, I don't know what the fuck happened. Just happened here. Let me just do either code 5. What? Oh, okay. Print. I was expecting this will take like 5 minutes. Not this time. ABC dot encode. Yeah. can see it's not really. Shit! So look at this. Python is using 5 gigabytes of RAM. Yeah, I'll kill this. 7. Why is it using so much? Bytes like is required. Yeah, but that's. Whoa! What is going on? I follow you. Okay, 2016. I think you mean 2017, because I didn't post Spider-Man stuff. Only started in 2017. What the fuck? Page 64. Maximum recursion depth. Is it because of the encoding? UTF-8? Could be. Whoa. Recursion error B64. Yeah, fuck. Looking at issues, but I don't. Let me look at the function B64 encode. I think I'm missing something. Standard. Okay. Uh, can I do it that way? Python, AVC, code. Just put UTF-8 just to make sure. X. Yeah, great. Okay, so yeah, just so weird. So object X is not required, not string. Yeah. Okay, and I don't need base 64 anymore. This was probably the weirdest error I've seen. Hell yeah, it executed. Yeah. X. Da -da -da. Da -da 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 -da. Oh yeah, I've been thinking also in rewriting my Spidey tools in C#. Not rewriting, just creating an interface, because I still get some comments, like at least once per month, of people asking me stuff that could be easily fixed if it was, just a drag and drop stuff. Yeah. I also been writing a bunch of C#, mostly because of work, but I really like the language. And .NET Core has become so much good, in my opinion. Such they are super focused on performance. In my case, it wouldn't really help a lot, but just cool. So, I now I'm ready to go to IDA, and yeah, I was looking how to convert stuff. IDA utils. The Python. I remember looking at IDA utils. Okay, yeah, strings, functions. Get a list of functions. Perfect. So actually, I can do it here and do IDA utils function. It's a generator object. So X for X. Wait, is my whole skin? Oh god. Oh, everything is here. Good. For X in utils functions. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay. I'm getting all the functions. The coolest thing about IDA is that if it um if it detects things like this, yeah, perfect. If something is like an integer or it's hexadecimal, it just goes to the function. So okay, great. And I want to skip all of these functions, all of these green ones. My again related. Yeah, yeah, and the best part is that my tools don't have to be tools, I can just create like a DLL and a NuGet package, and you just include, and yours becomes like a all-in-one tool. So just instead of downloading like 5 tools, they can just download one that installs a custom texture loader, that does the PKR stuff, and a bunch more. So I'm now ready to go. So I want to ignore these green functions. They are library functions and a little annoying. With sick. Like, this is okay. I don't need this. I'll probably need this, but not now. I don't know why I have this terminal here, but now it's here. So, okay, import IDA utils, and let's just get the functions here. I've seen my older scripts and they're just garbage. As soon as they work, I just I'm finished with them. So let's just externs. So okay, one thing that I learned is that generators can you're gonna free roam mod. Oh, you're asking TC. Yeah, he did some free roam mods. So basically, the way I haven't looked at them, like the TRG stuff, but I think the way they work is just removing the triggers from the level. You can just roam around without triggering any kind of like, for example, when you reach the end of the level, like there should be like, yeah, let me just make. So the way most games work is that like you have the final building of the first level. Yeah. Yeah, there's like a box, and TC you just remove this box, so now you can explore the whole level without triggering the end level screen. Do you mean me? Yes. Yeah, feel free. Yep. And yeah, I'm not sure if you're into TRG disassembly. Oh yeah, but yeah, I think I could add like TRG disassembly to IDA. That will be fun. So filter. Let me just filter. What the oh yeah. For I'll just do extern Linux functions. Oh nice. Congratulations, man. You know, I'm still doing my internship, so yeah, that's why I've not been like every time I get off work, I just want to play and do other shit, because a lot of the time it's just looking at code, and looking at code after work is just so boring. Yeah, yeah. Uh, Suggestion if you're applying is that just don't apply to a place, like apply to a bunch of places that you think you'll enjoy, and yeah. Um, and yeah, since now you have a GitHub page, you can also put that in your CV. That's what I do. I use I had some people ask me about my blogs during some interviews, which was cool. Um, Print list extern. Yeah, I can't run it. I can't run it here. So Alt F7. I see. Yeah, so I talked with some developers, and oh god, they used 3DX Max, 3ds Max. So I remember using these program when I was younger to do some 3D modeling. I did some more advanced stuff, but when they put stuff in the level, it was like an actual box, like a square, you know, like, not a square, a cube. Like that's like I when I did my drawing, it was a square. Yeah, let me just say the end level building right here. So the end level trigger box will be something like this. So if you're, you know, going through the air, swinging, you can hit it and go to the next level. Yeah, they use a super weird 3DX Max version. I don't want to do it for that tool because it's, you know, closed source and you need to pay for it. If I do it, I'll do it with Blender. It's free, open source, and super cool. So function extractor. Huh. Argument type of int. Oh yeah. Yeah. I got the. I need to look at my other scripts because I get addresses. I don't get. I don't get. Oh, string to function. So yeah, that arrives to get function name. Yeah, get function name. So I can just use just right here. IDC. Yeah, I can create a tuple here. Mm-hmm. IDC function name X. This should be one. So let's get in trouble. What? Did they update? Or am I just dumb? And it's no, it's function name. Of course. What? IDC. Oh god, I think they updated this. Part IDC, dear IDC. There's a lot of shit here. Uh, Jesus Christ. Filter. Dear IDC. Function in X. What? Are you telling me that my script, add a name, select a name, get name, EA symbol? Wow. I think get function name has been removed from IDC. Oh. Yep. Get func name. Okay, so I think they put it in Cardinals to the C++ API. Get function name. Great. I don't know what I was expecting. Isn't there a run less script? Let me see. Either run last script. Jesus Christ, it went back to Jesus Christ, is insane. When I was doing PSP stuff. Oh, wait, is it get func name? Oh god, I'm dumb. Get func name. Great. Hallelujah. Wait, did I get an empty thing? Clear. Okay. And I'll run it. Empty lists. So let me just get lsick. I am not really a fan. Fprintf. Say mem. Just mem. Yeah. Okay, 9. I want to ignore these green functions. So if the segment is extern, yeah, that won't work. Segment is text. Oh, actually, I think I can get function flags. So there's a function called get function flags. So we get func at. Okay. Oh, let me open one of these. So, where are the attributes? Edit function. Yeah, it's this one over here, library function. Exactly. So, uh, mm, 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 so x0. Yeah, where can I import? Funclive. Yeah, it's there. So here I just do IDC funclive. Yeah, it's a bunch of functions that I don't need. Hell yeah. I see. G describes the map itself, LL is the environment, and O represents objects like chairs, tables, stretch. I was not aware of that. Um, okay. So I just want not of this. Run this. Yes, I'm getting all the functions. All of the lights. Non-leaf functions. Hmm. Prints. Let me just do some cool formatted printing since I'm in Python 3.7 or 3.6 that introduced it. So I also have another reverse engineering project not related to Spider-Man to break molds. I don't think my fans will like it, so I don't think whether I'll even post it in this channel. Yeah, I guess I'll post it. I'm not a normal content creator. So I should around 400 functions by doing this, which is great. Let me see. Either Python get function size. No, I don't. Mm. The bytes. No, that's not what I want. Da, 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 da. Yeah. Let me just read. Yeah. So if I can get the what I'll do is I can get the function start and an address. I can just read that. Now I won't need any of you know either Python get function and address. I can just Google it because this is just either. Oh, there's a thing called get func end. Either find func end. Yeah. It takes just one address. Great. Oh, fuck. One the functions. Great. Oh, read from string. Yeah. Okay. So find func end. Map porting also import maps. Yeah, wouldn't the street levels be tricky? I don't know why all the street levels will be hard to combine. Yeah. No. I can do it here and find func end here. So okay, great. I'll be able to get and just print non-loop. Easy to correct and address. No. Poor thing. Plus 34. So is it plus 34? What? What? Am I looking? Okay, so it's good. Oh, so it's plus 34, so 52. Are they taking a rogue bite at the end? What exists there? Oh, it includes that. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Can use either bytes. No. Can use get many bytes. I guess. Does it still exist? Part A either API. Oh. Yeah. But where's the article about porting? It's just get bytes. Wow. Okay. Get bytes. As a string? What? I don't want it as a string. Okay. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh. Mm-hmm. There's a really funny interaction in my channel. Let me see if I can find it. You know, talking about free time and motivation. Where is it? Okay, it's comments. Where is it? Okay, so when I released my debug menu for the PC, so he, this guy asked me whether I had a mission select screen, and I said not really, depends on my free time and motivation. And after that, I released a bunch of updates to it. Yeah, you never know. So I need import item bytes, and we get bytes. So x2 get bytes. The length. Oh, great. Just do x1 minus x0 for x in only functions. I forgot to close something. Yeah, please. Print functions with content 0. Hell yeah. You get to the x view. 8b41. Yeah, 41 is that. 18. Right. Getting. Now I can do. I can JSON serialize these guys. I need anything else. Oh yeah, I need to get an hash. And okay, just need to import hashleave here. Hashleave. So on the X, yeah, I'll do it like this for a reason. Can then use the previous computed value. Up functions, functions with content, right? So here I'll just put 0, x1, x2. So no, there's only 2. And here at the end I can put the hash. Yeah. Yeah, I can. Yeah, let me just add here functions with hash. Generate hash function. Right. So I get bytes, and I just copy the declare here. Hash slave shat156 updates with this, and hey, generate ashes and content and ashes. So here I take the list or entry in L. So the start and the name and the yield. The name. These are the bytes. I don't need to do these. And generate. Just pass B. Great. So instead of the, and just do this. So X for X in with content and ashes. Non-live functions. This works, I'll be so happy. Alt F9. Yeah, that's X is not defined. Yeah. I am dumb. Dumbest guy there is start and start. M is not defined. But how can I have so many typos? Yo, it's working. Good. Tomato panic plates. Okay. So your question is it possible to loop? I don't know. And I because on the 2002 game, when you swing, you're just swinging, and on the 2000 game, I think as soon as you hit the swing key, it already marks where you're going or a possible building. So the trajectory will just go towards that building. Yeah. With content now. It generate a fucking the dictionary. Dict for name content ash in function date content. Then I just do the name. Yeah, and I need to do it like so. Content and hash. And I just need to do JSON dumps. The class the function encoder. And pray to God it runs. Yay, it ran. Python is so fast. What the hell? I need to get a question where I want it to go. Ask path, I think it does. I think I've okay, I need to go here. That's the name of my project that does that. Act destruct. So kernwin, ask address, ask string, ask file. For saving default value in the format. Okay. So for that, I'll just do path equals to file. Save. I think it's a 1. Default value none. And it's JSON. Will it work? I the kernwin. What the fuck? Why did I the kernwin? I the kernwin. Okay. Oh yeah. Oh god. No, do I die? Previous type. Did I pass the string? Doing. Kernwin. Ask file example. Come on, dude. Want an example? I just read GitHub. Dude, what the fuck? Or is it because let me see. Oh, okay. Never mind. Oh, Jason. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I didn't output anything. If not, if path is not none, wait, open path to right as file, right path. Successfully outputted the results. I got put it only as a T. Okay. Hell yeah. Let's see. Oh god, something went wrong. Oh god, this is stupid. Oh my god, I outputted the path. Oh god. Yeah, that was a dumb move. Okay, out. Vim. How big is it? 2 megabytes. Not big enough for me. Awesome. So I have the function. So now I can successfully yeah, compare the generated output. So regarding this extractable functions, done. Install Visual Studio 6. Yeah, let's do that now. Why not? Okay. Uh, yeah. I almost killed the stream, Jesus. Hey, does it include the serial code? I'm pretty sure I'll need it. So for 1998, this was 1.2 gigabytes, which in my opinion was a lot for the time. Compressed size. Okay, it's right here. Let's go with this. And and hell yeah. Yeah, I have this messed up. Open with. Hell yeah. Open setup. Oh, the key is included. So great for me. I accept. Your company name. I can create Crystal Ink. No, what the fuck? What the fuck is it installing? I wish it was possible that Windows Sandbox had some kind of I could create an image and then reuse it later. No, motherfucker. Okay, yeah, I'll guess I'll then stop the stream for today because it's so dumb. What's happening?